There we go, finally. Why did the AA guns hit me?
I don't know.
I got hit by one of the anti-air guns.
Evacuate! Evacuate!
I'm going down.
Squadron.
I'm going down.
Green, black, black. No! Green, black, black, black!
Black leader's down. I repeat, black leader is down. We are here assisting with the evacuation. I repeat, we are here assisting with evacuation. All squadrons evacuate. All squadrons evacuate.
Anti-air guns are online.
Roger that. I know. Just keep an eye out for them jets, yeah?
Mm.
Once again, all squadrons evacuate. Not stay here long.
ASE. I repeat, ASE.
All squadrons are out, sir. Roger that. All squadrons are out.
Beep, beep.
I'm down, I'm down. I'm going down. I'm going down.
Red leader's up.
Red squadron, I thought you already pulled out. We did, but we're here with God to assist with the evacuation. Roger that. Red squadron. We lost a lot today, boys.
But we're not losing any more.
Touching down in 3, 2, 1. We have touchdown.
All engines are online.
Hangar Bay is like a lot bigger than you think. Like it goes down.
That is a really small hangar. Wait, no, it isn't. It isn't.
What the hell? I hit in the arm.
I got hit.
It's a lot worse than we think.
I got hit in my leg.
We're very resistant. We need to send it our best, but we can't. Yeah, let me see if look at select online character now. Jets.
Isn't this already one of them?
You'll see what I mean in a minute.
The cabin's shaking. More than usual.
It's just a bumpy road.
Wow. You were right. Steady turbulence now.
Can be dangerous. Enjoy it while you can. It's not usually this peaceful as spring drills.
It's getting shaky in the cabin again. Anti-air guns are online. Wait, they're offline. Anti-air gun! It's an anti-air gun! The hatchet's opening! We're going down! We're going down!
Guys, almost down, almost down. I repeat, almost down. Hey, guns!
Getting calmer. Getting rougher. Ah! The Santiago! Santiago!
It's not an anti-air gun, it's a jet.
Green's watching, we need you.
I've already lost too many. Unfortunately, we cannot assist in this one. We're sending the foot soldiers. Roger that. These are foot soldiers, we need a clear spot.